healthcare allowances. Mr. President, we passed Republic Act 11712, which grants continuing benefits and allowances to public and private healthcare workers during public health emergencies like COVID-19. Last July 2023, the state of public health emergency due to COVID-19 throughout the Philippines has been lifted by President Marcos. Sa kabila nito, may mga healthcare workers pa po ang hindi nababayaran ng kanilang HEA or health emergency allowances. Sa pag-iikot po natin sa iba't ibang parte ng bansa, may mga lumalapit sa atin. Nag-abot nga ng note, sir, yung aming HEA, hindi pa po na babayaran, hindi pa nila natatanggap. At parati nating sinasabi noon, sila po yung mga hero natin sa pandemya, hindi natin mararating ito, tinaroroonan natin, kundi po dahil sa kanila. In relation to this, I know the status of the release of funding for healthcare workers allowances. Almost 20 billion is in the 2023 budget of the Department of Health, and 52.9 billion is in the unprogrammed fund. Magkano na po ang na-release dito at may na-release na po ba mula sa unprogrammed fund? At ano ho ba ang priority sa so-called unprogrammed fund na nandiyan dyan po sa ating national budget?
There's been 19.6 billion released from the programmed funds, Your Honor. And for the unprogrammed funds, there's been a release of 4 billion. That is just 2 weeks ago, Your Honor.
So ano pong target nito for 2023, Mr. President?
Target. Yeah, there's 50. Yung 4 billion released, hindi pa po fully disbursed, Your Honor. Meaning nabigay na po sa ahensya, pero hindi pa po na-avail dahil hindi pa kumpleto yung documentary requirements. So hindi pa na-avail ng mga those entitled to ng health workers na entitled dito sa mga allowances, Your
So
Honor.
meaning ongoing pa po yung
Opo.
claims.
So kumbaga, pagka na fully na-release na or na-exhaust na yung pondong yon, tsaka na sila magre-release ulit, Your Honor.
For next year, Mr. President, the Department of Health requested a total of 66.3 billion for the compensation of COVID-19 workers in health facilities. Ibig sabihin, ito siguro yung na-compile nila na total na claims, no? Of this amount, only 19.9 billion is adopted in the 2024 NEP. May we know the reason why only this amount was approved?
It's a question of fiscal space also, Your Honor. It's competing with other financing requirements, but it's very important. So yun po yung rason kaya yung 19.9 lang ang nasama dun sa request ng, kung napapansin niyo po Your Honor, karamihan nung request ay talagang lumalampas dun sa nailalagay ho sa National Expenditure Program.
I would like to appeal to the DBM to release sufficient funds for the healthcare workers allowances. Please ensure that our modern day heroes get the allowances that they are entitled to. This is just a small incentive for our frontliners, and no amount of money is comparable to the sacrifices that they make for our country. Yung iba po, nagsakripisyo ng kanilang buhay, nagkasakit, namatay po yung iba. Importante po, mabalikan sila. Hindi talaga kaya ng fiscal space sa 2024. Baka po sana mabigyan po ito ng prioridad kung ilalagay nyo po kung sakasakali sa program amount po ng ating budget.